Hey guys, Daddy just left for work and I'm eating one of his cupcakes for breakfast, and so is Ruben, and he has some yogurt.
It's coming.
Today we're supposed to go on a nature walk, but it looks really overcast and rainy. I don't know if we'll go. I don't know if we'll go. Let's open the drapes. I guess these are technically called blinds. Look how dismal it looks. You can't, it's hard to see it. But it's pretty rainy and overcast right now. Hi. I love you. Are you enjoying your muffin? Is it yummy?
I am muffin.
3, 2, 1, toss. We're just playing in the playroom, and I'm putting up some laundry. Just having fun. Hi. We decided to go to the trails and go on a nature walk, even though it looks dismal outside. Yeah, we're on a trail. We're gonna have fun. We are at is this the Claytor Lake Nature Center? Claytor? Claytor Lake Nature Center. Look at how cool these doors are. This is supposedly a nature playground area. There's a giant nest.
Sweet, sweet. I am a bird. Sweet, sweet.
That's so cool.
Are you a bird too?
It looks like in the summer it may grow like vines or something.
I don't know. They look dead.
Oh, who knows? Are you climbing? Ruben is tall.
Pine cones. These pine cones.
I do see the pine cones.
Coin.
The pine cones. Did you climb up tall? Wow. Wow.
Yeah.
There's a tree up there.
Watch.
Are you watching the tree? Be careful. We don't spin when we're standing on tall things. Come on, jump. Boop.
Yeah.
That's a bug, I think. Oh, it's a shell. It's a shell.
Yeah.
Do you know why?
We are home from the lake and I am making spaghetti. After we got home, Ruben just took a nap. And the timer's going off. Your timer's going off, Ruben. I mean, Daddy.
Huh?
Your timer's going off. I don't know what it was for.
It was the 10-minute timer to let us know that the food is done cooking.
The food's not done.
Then turn it off.
Okay, I did. You know, you're making your own noodles, right? I'm not watching them at all.
Oh, no, I wasn't watching them. I was
Okay.
thinking that since you were